Hi, so my name is Miggy. I'm currently a business applications developer. And before that, so I was a design engineer for 5.5 years. So I'm actually a career shifter since I graduated with a degree of mechatronics engineering. So after my work, I've worked as an engineer for 5.5 years, and then I've decided maybe it was time to make a career change, to shift to a different career path. So that's when I decided. So I resigned my job. I enrolled in Jewett Bootcamp, and then I graduated from batch number 248. And so here I am now. So when I was in high school, I was actually deciding between IT and engineering for my course. So I really had a hard time deciding, but eventually I went with engineering. But during my studies in engineering, we were also having programming subjects and stuff like that. So I was really enjoying it. And then during my work as a design engineer, there came a time that I was also doing programming for my work. And yeah, I was still enjoying it. And then parang there came a point na I realized na parang I was enjoying the programming more than my actual work. Like programming was something that I was the thing that I really wanted to do going on. Na I wanted that to be my career instead of being an engineer. So that's why I decided to take the bootcamp in web coding. So, 'di ba I mentioned earlier na I was doing programming na rin in my work. So, I was actually doing self-study as well during those times. And then when I really decided na I wanted to do programming in my career, I realized na parang self-study, it might not be enough, especially for me, to get into the IT industry, which is why I decided to enroll in a bootcamp so that I would have a proper education per se. Actually, mahirap. To be honest, nahirapan ako. So, parang for the few days or weeks right after graduating for the bootcamp, I'm just, I'm spending most of my days in front of the PC. So, I'm going through LinkedIn, JobStreet, Caliber, Indeed, Facebook posts, looking for jobs. So, most of the jobs na makikita ko is parang they have very high parang job requirements. So so parang what I was doing before is I was filtering through the job postings, no. So I was being picky, namimili talaga ako kung alin lang yung apply ko. So what happened is it really took a lot of time before I got the job. So during one of my parang sessions with the career advisors from Zuit. And I think I recall it was mentioned din before na parang just apply. Um, Parang you really need to push through and parang madami kang ina-applyan para you get the chance to get hired. So, ayun, that's what I did. So, eventually, ang ginagawa ko is I was just applying and applying. Even for the other job posts that it said like 2 years experience, 3 years experience, as long as you read through the job responsibilities and you think na it's something na pasok naman sa kaalaman mo even without the job experience and stuff. So as long as ay nga, alam mo na kaya mo, just keep on applying until you'll find the right job that's for you. Be on all of the platforms, no? So, sikat na sikat ngayon yung job street lalo before. But now there are others. There's Caliber, there's Indeed, there's LinkedIn, and actually Facebook. Madaming Facebook groups. There's IT Philippines, IT job posts, something like that. IT, Tech Career Shifters Philippines. So, there are a lot of social media platforms where you can find the jobs. And ayun nga, don't be picky. So, basta alam mo na you meet na naman yung job functions, responsibilities, you know that you can do it naman. Even if, example, they say 2 years experience or what, just apply. Parang you won't know if you don't try naman. Parang wala namang mawawala sa iyo pag nag-apply ka. But if na-hire ka, ayun, di ba? So for the future boot campers of Zuwit, no, so probably ayun, iniisip niya na parang gusto kong mag-bootcamp, I want to career shift into IT. So, but you're also probably wondering na baka naman mahirapan ako, paano if wala akong experience? So, ayun. So honestly, ako nga may experience ako, pero I saw it din naman kung paano magturo yung mga instructors and nakita ko sa other batchmates ko which is wala tayong experience na they really learned. So, ayun. Wag matakot. So, may experience man or wala, just try. So, ayun, gaya ng snap ko kanina, you won't know naman if you won't try. So, what if etong career path na ito talagang para sa iyo? So, ayun, try nyo lang. So, siguro more of the same lang naman. Ayun, lalo na parang more so mas up pa nga dito yung sinabi ko pala kanina, no? Since, ayun, career shifter, so it might be scary, no? As in, parang mawawala na yung pinag-aralan mo sa college or yung previous work mo. So, all of that experience, mawawala. And then, you'll be starting from zero na in a whole new career path. So, it really can be scary, no? But parang, ayun, wag lang matakot. Parang it's part of your journey to being kung sino ka man talaga dapat in the future. Like, example, for the future, yun talaga yung destiny mo, no? Kunwari, you're destined talaga to be a developer or and then you're just getting scared na baka mahirapan ka. So, don't be scared. Parang sa journey mo on being of who you are, parang there will always be challenges naman.